I'm so sweaty. I'm hot. And Daddy is flying down.
I told you.
Okay, I've seen it too.
You doubted me.
No, I didn't. I've seen it too.
That is coming back.
It's coming back. Dude, that was so sick. That was such a little bit.
That was crazy. It's coming right back.
Take a lot of time to take you out.
Bro, why are you recording?
I'm recording.
It's coming back. It's coming. It's turning around over here. It's coming back. It's coming. Come on, guys, this way.
Where did it go, bro?
Bro, where did it go?
Pick me up.
Where is it coming?
It's coming from there.
Guys,
Let's go there.
just wait. Too bad. Nobody goes there.
Oh wait, it's coming back! It's coming back! It's coming back! It's coming back!
It's freaking coming back. Oh my god! Oh my god! That's so fucking loud! Oh my
Up and crackling even.
What's over there?
Coming back!
Go, guys. I know.
In front of there!
Where?
Oh wait, it just went behind the buildings, now we can't see
Brady,
it.
back over here. Careful.
This is so sick. No. Yes,
Yeah.
Chili must be terrified from the noise.
No, because Chili got back out of here, you dipshit.
It's coming on there! It's coming on there!
Yes, it is. Never mind.
Oh fuck!
It's coming! It's coming! It's coming!
That is so fucking sick! That's so fucking sick! Yes! They are too! Oh my god! That was so loud!
That was so loud! I told you that was coming! It's coming from over here! Look, it's coming! It's coming! It's coming! It's coming! It's coming! It's coming! It's coming!
Okay.
Going that way.
Oh, it's still coming. It's gotta go where it's going. It's less off the tree.
I can't even get track of it anymore.
It's a tiny little ball. Nope, I'm going full time with that.
It's a tiny little ball now.
Bro, what the hell? Like, I've lost sight of it.
That's why you need your glasses.
No, look at my phone. Look at my phone. Bro, no, look at my phone.
Stand up.